What if your next family getaway included a legendary football stadium, hands-on science, wildlife encounters, and wide-open parks, all packed into one charming Midwestern city? Welcome to Green Bay, Wisconsin, a surprisingly perfect destination for families craving connection, curiosity, and a little bit of cheesehead magic. Start your adventure with a visit to the Green Bay Children's Museum. It's where imagination runs wild through interactive exhibits that let kids play, build, and explore in a safe and colorful environment. Just steps away, Bay Beach Amusement Park offers a vintage thrill with wallet-friendly rides, some as low as 25 cents. It's one of the best-kept secrets in family travel. For football-loving families, Lambeau Field is more than a stadium, it's a shrine. Even if you're not a die-hard Packers fan, the Lambeau Field Tour and Packers Hall of Fame immerse visitors in sports history with engaging displays, lifelike memorabilia, and stories that inspire teamwork and dedication. Head outdoors to Bay Beach Wildlife Sanctuary, a nature haven right in the city. With over 700 acres of animal exhibits, walking trails, and educational centers, it's a peaceful retreat where kids can spot deer, foxes, and birds while learning about Wisconsin's ecosystem. Need a little science in the mix? The Nashville Public Museum features interactive exhibits that make local history and science fun for all ages. And if the weather's right, take your adventure to the water with a scenic walk along the Fox River Trail or a family picnic at Pamperin Park, complete with play areas and shaded picnic spots. Cap off the day with cheese curds and ice cream at a local eatery, because no visit to Green Bay is complete without savoring Wisconsin's favorite treats. Green Bay may be known for football, but it offers so much more for families who love to explore, learn, and laugh together. So why not trade skyscrapers for stadiums and discover what makes this city an unexpected family treasure? What would be your family's first stop in Green Bay?